Yeah, when the pandemic hit Namibia, we decided that a lot of the people were unable to follow the rules because they just couldn't afford the basic necessities. So we decided to we would contribute through the organization, and then we would distribute the basic sanitary materials, soap, and this time we've included masks this time because we're trying to encourage more people to wear masks in their everyday activities. It's a little bit of a problem, but we are trying to encourage people to do that.
Mike, while walking through this informal settlement, apart from beautiful people that we met, what went through your heart? What went through your inside when you see the smiles?
We really appreciate the way that people accept us. They accept the fact that we are trying to help them to help themselves. We're not giving them handouts as such. We're trying to help them to help themselves. And also we get a payback from that because they are finding out who we are, and then if they do have medical emergencies in the future, they will contact us and we will have more contact with them.
Hello. Merry Christmas.
Tati, thank you so much for hosting you in your village today and between your people. It was an honor. A message from your side to your community and also to the nation at large, especially in troubling times like COVID. What advice do you have on the community and also to the public, my good sir?
I feel now very happy. It's when you are coming to visit us, and I feel also interest. We always must come and to help the peoples. Yeah, you see in these times, the COVID time, you can also to provide that things what you are give for us, we appreciate it.
What went through your mind when you got the call to say we are on our way to help your community?
I was very happy. I was very happy, and then it was like, you guys, you are taking time to reach here. I was very happy.
Miriam, you know the community we walked with you for about 2 hours now. What are the problems in the specific area that you are staying in Babylon?
The problem here we have, as I work with community at large, and then the community, sometimes people you are fine, sometimes there is some argument, even though I don't take it serious, and then always you have to take it, it's part of life. Yeah, and then we have a big challenge here as we are working here in the community. Sometimes you go there at the center, people who are in the management, they don't want you to work there for every time, as we are used to meet there 3 days a week. But sometimes I decided, okay, as I cannot let the kids just to go in the street, I cannot leave the kid to go in the street. So I decided, okay, we meet at my house. As you see me, I'm standing under this tree. That is our office. It is my office where I used to do our things with my community kids.
You also got a Tatekuru that is visually impaired. How do you operate in this area, and what kind of care does the community give to him to make sure he is also part of the community, ma'am?
I cannot explain to that Tate. That Tate is a good person. To me, it's like my father, is like my own uncle, is my best friend. He just cope he just acted like it's normal with it's just like he can see, but it's only few that they can realize that that he cannot see. But he's just an awesome person. We do jokes together, we share little we have with him, and then it's just a good that day.
A message from your heart to the rest of the Namibian for the festive season, Miriam?
My message to the people at large, as you see, we are in this season for Christmas time. So I just wish you a good and a Merry Christmas. And then as people who are traveling from different places, please don't overspeed. Remember, you carry some lives, so don't chase at the time you want to chase, but think about the life you carry in your car or whatever.